today I'm gonna do an unboxing of this keyboard. It's AKKO keyboard. Is 5075 B+. It's 75% keyboard with multi-modes, AFA, blue on white. Okay, all right, and this is the front of the box. All right, and the back of the box in here, and let's get ready to open this. I have been waiting for a week or so. Okay, all right, so are we ready? Let's open this beautiful keyboard. Okay, put these in here. Pretty cool. The letters, the AKKO company. Let's see over here. Okay, okay, so all right. Okay, and here we have it. Let me take this out. Okay, and now over here, let's see what is in this box. Okay, there are some switches in here. These are the crystal switches. That's what it comes with. All right, and see, and then there is additional keycaps. Ooh, look at this. There are like different different animals, like turtle. You have a pig, really cool panda, and here you have also like keycap with the AKKO company sign. That's pretty cool. I really like it. I wasn't expecting that. And then you have in here the keycap cooler. Let's see what else in here. The switches cooler, and then you have in here the keyboard connects through cable Type-C. You can also connect it with a USB or Bluetooth. So you have all those three options, which is really nice. And then now let's get ready to see it. Let's see. All right. It's kind of, it's several. It has a good heaviness, and then here is the keyboard. Is the white keycaps, which you can match with a lot of things. And it has this keyboard over here, which you can use to turn the volume up or down. You can also mute the volume if you want to. Here is the back of the keyboard. Over here you have if you want to connect it through USB, and then if you want to increase the heightness. Let me see if this works over here. So yeah, so you can use two height levels in that sense, which is pretty nice. All right, okay, and then let's try this over here. Let's turn this on. Let's see. Okay, all right, and it also comes with RGB lights. Okay, all right, which they look pretty nice. Okay, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, let's see. All right, and then let me see over here. You can also change, the way that it lights up, which is pretty cool. All right, if you like something a little bit, more colorful, or more fun. Pretty nice, right? Okay, so I think, this is everything. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.